Hello friends. After compiling the content, I was not able to make up my mind as to from where to start. This morning I got a cue from another video. So here we go. There is a saying, there are two types of people in the stock exchanges. One who bring money and the other who bring the experience. And at the end, the one with experience gets the money and the moneyed gets the experience. In our video, Brightcom Group Zero to Hero, we made a point for those who may recall, stock market is all about business, numbers and management. Extrapolate the same to telecom business in India. Most expensive, most challenging business, fractured balance sheets, many companies failed and went either bankrupt or did M&A right since the year 2000, and the process is still on. In this scenario, what are the chances with one of the finest management we can vouch for, Vodafone Idea? Let's see. But first, our normal, innocuous disclaimer please. We have been reviewing the stock over last 10 months and since then been regularly keeping our followers aware of the developments through Facebook page, Bull in the Womb and Twitter account. It is important to peep into past to accurately forecast the future. The first post on 20th August 2019. Reliance is now going to be on a monetization drive so as to list Jio in a year and a half. Imagine Jio lists at 500 to 600 rupees or even more, and Airtel at 350, and Vodafone India continues to sulk at rupees 6. Promoters own 71% shares and retail has just 2.08. 5th September update was about promoters of Vodafone India putting in almost rupees 18,000 crore at rupees 12.50 in May and subsequently rupees 85 crore at 6.29 average price. On 19th November, we suggested subscribers to buy the scrip in view of likely increase in the costs. 20th November message was to simply buy when it has gone through roller coaster up to the amount you can afford to lose, and it's all about timing. As anticipated by us, the tariff hike came, and with 40% rise, the company was expected to be 100% EBITDA positive. We again harped upon expected price of Vodafone on the 2nd December message, asking what it would be when Airtel would be rupees 550 and Jio would list at rupees 750 or over. Airtel was rupees 440 on that date. Same day, we also portrayed a scenario that news flow would turn positive and going forward the duopoly theory would be thrown out of the window to become three players market. On 4th December, our verdict was that after acquiring data, Reliance Jio will raise prices as they have to list Jio. And it is proverbial for us to say, this should make others also viable. On December 31st, Voda Idea gained positive subscribers in October released numbers, first time after several months of losing customers. At that time, for some strange reasons or probably deliberately to gain time, telcos asked from the Supreme Court for open court hearing on AGR. Was it not rather derogatory? Yes, it was denied and they paid the price later. On 24th January, we predicted that court will wrap the knuckles of both the Department of Telecom for not collecting the money and the telcos for not paying AGR as per court's October orders. We said that the case was hanging horribly against the telcos. Surely, they did get the whacking on the Valentine's Day. Was it not basic not to seek from the court a relief? Their job is to interpret law and they had done it, not to make it. the share price moved from 545 to 325 and closed at 350. On the 20th February, Business Today carried a headline, "The issue that initially started the definition of AGR now reached a point where it could even lead to shutting down of operations of one of the telcos." On 4th March, the government detaches GAIL, OIL, other PSUs from AGR issues. These PSUs had cumulative payable of 2.7 lakh crore to the exchequer as per then prevailing scheme of things. While AGR deferment verdict is still pending, by April 22nd it became clear that none other than Facebook is interested in investing $5.7 billion in Jio. Did we not say that Jio will increase the valuations eventually? And we asked, why any company not invest in Vodafone when rupee is at such a low? Or they are not trying hard enough, or promoters do not want to let go of their equity, or promoters know something we do not. On 23rd April itself, when the share price was just rupee 450, we put a tweet, "I think people do not understand the magnitude of Reliance Jio and Facebook deal, and once closing down Vodafone is out of the window, the share will be 20 to 25 rupees within a year." Also, Reliance Jio and Facebook have tilted the field so much in favor of Reliance that the effect has to be balanced in coming days. The next day itself, the conformity came from Bharti Infratel chairman. Vodafone Idea will bounce back despite AGR stress. The 28th April, Your Story summarizes all the investments Jio would be getting from various investors worldwide. Jio's investors include Facebook, Silver Lake Partners, Vista Equity Partners, General Atlantic, and KKR Asia PE Fund. Reliance has diluted about 17.1% equity stake in Jio and comments, but it may not be done yet. It will indeed be worthwhile to listen to this 12-odd minutes audio or read the article. Truly, the objective set up by the chairman Mukesh Ambani is proved. Data is new oil. Today itself, HT carries a headline, "Vista investment is at 12.5% premium over the Facebook deal announced in April." This US-based firm invests 11,367 crore in Jio platforms. Close at the heels of these deals, there have been news of Google eyeing 5% stake in Voda Idea and Amazon looking for investment of $2 billion in Airtel. Both these deals are vehemently denied by the companies. As empowered investors, we have to ask ourselves a few questions. Is Voda Idea going to survive beyond the AGR imbroglio? Is telecom in India up for long-awaited re-rating? If Jio becomes a $100 billion valuation, what value you will ascribe to Airtel and Vodafone Idea? Why Voda Idea and Airtel denying the deals with Google and Amazon respectively? If Airtel is at 700 rupees and Jio is listed at rupees 1000 or more, then where Vodafone Idea's share will be in next 2 years? Trust me, your answers would be the best for you. But may I remind you again, invest as much in any script as you can afford to lose. And it is all about timing in the markets. Thanks for watching and happy investing.